Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check past Wi-Fi password. So first to do that, you have to open your settings, then tap out Wi-Fi. Then you can tap out Wi-Fi. Once you do that, then come up here at the right top corner of the screen and tap on edit. Once you do that, your phone is going to require for face lock or passcode. Then you put your phone passcode. Once you do that, then you have the list of the past connected Wi-Fi on your phone. Then if it's particular one you want to check the power password, and just tap at it. Let's say I want to check this S9 Galaxy X9. I'm going to tap at this eye icon beside the padlock. Then I'm going to tap at it. Then I'm going to tap out this particular option, which is password for this Wi-Fi up here, Galaxy S9. As I do that, then you can see the password up here. Then you can just copy and share with a friend. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.